Hey guys, so a classmate asked, how do you solve a cubic equation like this? X cubed plus 9x squared plus 23x plus 15 equals 0. So in today's video, we're going to see how to answer cubic equations like this easily. First, we will focus on the last number 15 and list out the possible factors of the number. We know that 1, 3, 5, and 15 all make up 15. Since all of the parts in the equation are positive, we need to select 3 factors out of these whose sum/difference is equal to 9. Since 15 is too big, we can get rid of it. That leaves us with 1, 3, and 5, which all add up to 9. If we flip the signs for these values, we get the solutions to our cubic equation as -1, -3, and -5. But how does this trick work? Well, first note that the last term of our cubic equation represents the product of 3 possible numbers, just like a quadratic equation, where the only difference is that quadratic equations have only 2 possible numbers. Therefore, the coefficient in front of the x squared term represents the sum or difference of those 3 numbers. And so we just solved our equation like we did before, choosing 1, 3, and 5 as our factors. But note that to find the solutions, we would need to change the sign of our given factors, since we are solving for what values make the equation equal to 0. But let's look at some other examples. Note here that when we list out the factors of 18, there are many possible values, including 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. However, for our cubic equation, we only need 3 factors that add up to 10. Since again, all terms are positive, we can get rid of 18 because that value is greater than 10, and we can get rid of 9 because we cannot add 2 more factors to this value to get 10. 1 plus 3 plus 6 gets us 10, and so those are the factors to our cubic equation. Finally, in our last equation, we see that x cubed minus 4x squared plus 5x minus 2 does have negative signs in the terms, and that the last term, 2, has only 2 factors, 1 and 2. Therefore, one of these factors is going to be duplicated as we need 3 factors. Since the sum or difference of the 3 factors must equal to -4, we first change the signs of our factors so we can combine multiple negative numbers to get another negative value. Then we duplicate -1, since -1 minus 1 minus 2 equals -4. Note that -2 can't be duplicated, since -2 minus 2 would already equal -4, and there'd be no room for the third factor of -1. So our factors are -1, -1, and -2, with the solution to the equation being x equals 1 and x equals 2. I hope this video helps you to learn more about solving cubic equations.